All right, let's put this in here. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is about your factory parts. What do we do with them? Do we throw them away? Do we keep them? Let's discuss that real quick. Real short video, I promise. Welcome back. So glad you decided to stick around. Now today we're discussing parts, factory original parts. What do we do with them? Do we keep them? Do we throw them away? Now these are the original wipers for this car. This is a 2012 2SS RS Camaro. Okay. Now, will it ever be worth anything? Highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. Same with my 1993 Z28 out there. But some people are very particular about stuff, okay? Me, I will save these because they are original to the car. I will take them and put them in my building with all the other parts and stuff. And the reason for it, if I ever decide to sell the car, I can take the original parts, put in the trunk. The new owner can decide what he wants to do with it, right? And the reason I give them that option, some people are really particular. Some people are sticklers, as a matter of fact, about keeping the car as original as they can. And I can understand that. So what I do personally, this is just me, you can do what you want. Whenever I take parts off the car, like the original exhaust manifolds, when I bought my shorty headers that I have on there, I took the original exhaust manifolds, put them in that box, put them in the building. When I do the shifter change, I'm planning on putting a short throw shifter in it. Whenever I do that, that shifter will go in the box, go back in the building. And the reason for it is, number one, I can keep the originality of the car with the car. So if anybody ever decides to change it back, they can. Number two, if I ever decide to sell the car, I now have the factory parts that I could put back on the car, which actually increases the sale value, because if you take it anywhere and sell it, if it's customized, somebody has to have the same custom taste that you do in order to buy your car to give you the amount that you want. Whereas if it's an original, they have a blank slate to work with. They're willing to pay more for that, because then they can put their own taste, their own spin on everything. So I can then take the parts that I put on it, like the wheels that I'm planning on getting. I'm gonna keep the original wheels. The strut tower brace, I can take it off. I can take the air filter off and put the original back on. I can put the original wipers back on. Like I said, I can put the original exhaust manifolds back on. Everything except the exhaust. I don't have the original mufflers. Those are long gone. But with that said, there's a thought process that goes into it. Now, if you never plan on selling your car, or you want it, or you're never going to put it back to the original, go ahead and sell the original parts. There's somebody out there looking for them. I guarantee you there's somebody out there looking for them. So you can go ahead and sell them at that time. But do the thought process of, what do you really want to do? Do you want to hang on to them? Do you want to sell them? Do you want to throw them away? Because number one, the parts of value is a source of extra income if you decide to get rid of them. And like I said, putting it back to original, especially if you're going to trade it in, putting it back to original will bring you top dollar for your car. So with all that said, I'm going to get out of here. I promise you it's going to be a short one. Just wanted to put this little bit of information out there so you could think about it and decide what you're going to do. Whew. Sorry for looking so rough, guys and gals, but I just got done mowing the grass. Looks good, don't it? I wanted to get it done before the wife got home, so I wanted to be a surprise. Because you know how it is, no kingdom is happy unless both the king and the queen is happy. And if she's not happy, you're not happy. And if she's not happy long enough, the king is happy with half his stuff. So word to the wise to all you guys out there, always try to do something small to surprise. It doesn't matter if it's just wash dishes, pick up the trash out of the yard, pick up the trash in the house, take out the trash, whatever. One little thing, it'll surprise her, I guarantee it. I wanted to finish this video off with this. One last reason to save your parts, especially if there's something special like lower control arms or something like that, because most of this stuff is mail order, okay? It's really hard for the local parts store to carry everything that we need, like lower control arms and special bushings, special motor mounts, stuff like that. So whenever you get your new ones in, put them on, take the old ones, stick them in a box, and put them up somewhere. The reason for that, and the point I'm trying to get to, is because let's say the bushing for whatever reason wears out on that control arm, or something happens to it, breaks or whatever. Well, what are you going to do, especially if this is your only car? If it's your only car, well, a smart person will go back out, get the one that he saved, and put it back on. Might even put both on, depending on what they are, right? So I just wanted to put that in there too. And until next time, next video, we'll see you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.